New just listed home, 7081 Opal Drive, Largo, Florida, by Susan Maggio and Jason Patino from the Military Veteran Team. This 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath home on a spacious 1,350 square feet of charming space in a cozy, well-managed area. Inside, the main level features an open living and dining area with ceramic tile flooring. Seamlessly connected, the kitchen boasts solid wood cabinetry and stone countertops. The upstairs floor plan hosts a private primary suite and a second bedroom. These are served by 2 full private ensuite bathrooms that ensure personal space for every resident, complemented by a convenient half-bath downstairs for guests. The exterior highlights include a relaxing rear patio, attached garage, and a sparkling community pool. Don't miss this chance and make it yours.
Buy or sell with us and move for free in Pinellas County. Google Military Veteran Realtor Team and see why we're #1 on Google.